3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, slow. Men Zaida. 1, 2, and here I go a little bit up. So when I cross, because I have the connection here on the right leg, the girl will feel the push here and also the frame leading in turning. And I cross down, back, and from here we make a break, 4. And here I have to stop the girl with the frame. Now, I push the girl with the right hand back, and I cross myself here, 5, and I turn her, and 6. Good, and you see I'm very far away from her now. What do I do then next? I make this leg connection here, and turn the girl with my right hand, and go with the body close to her and say, break. And then keep this break close. Keep it close. Keep it close. And then when I go to the side, I block. Now, the next motion is very important. We are going to do this first separately. So we are like this. The girls do the girls part, and I do the guys part. So you have the left leg to the side, girls, and the guys the right leg to the side. The first thing what we do, we tilt the body and tilt. And tilt. Then I go in flow with the body on the leg. Flow. Guys, I will close her leg, straighten up, and then with the connection on her left leg, I straighten the leg to the side, boom. And 1, and boom. Good. So together looks like this. We are here in the connection, and I go down, up, straight. Down, connection here. Up, put her body weight on this leg while you're going up so you can shoot the other leg out. Okay, from the guy's perspective is we are on this break, we did break, palm, close, and now we go body weight on the right, close, shot. Ta-da, boom. And the timing is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then we go on the leg 5, and she has this leg free, and then I go 6 and 7. And finish, okay?